Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bose SoundLink II Mini speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair this speaker with your Android phone. So at first we have to turn this speaker on by clicking this power button.
Battery 20%.
Now we have to go into pairing mode by clicking on Bluetooth button.
Ready to pair.
Now we are ready to pair. Now we have to scroll down to our console panel. Then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now, as you can see, Bose Mini II SoundLink, we have to click on it. And now we have to click pair.
Connected to OPPOA40.
That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.